Welcome to Just Have a Drink. Summer is just about over. You've already gone on summer vacation, the kids are returning to school, and pumpkin spice lattes are about to appear at Starbucks. So you're probably pulling out your jackets ready to embrace that cool, crisp fall air. Unless you live in the South where it still feels like hell's front porch for another 3 months. Let me introduce you to the perfect drink that'll get you through second summer, the Caipirinha. There's a reason why this is the national drink of Brazil. Similar to the daiquiri, the Caipirinha is simple and refreshing, making it the perfect drink for summer weather, humid places, and especially the pool. You only need a lime, some sugar, and cachaca. Cachaca is basically Brazilian rum, but instead of being made from a byproduct of sugarcane like most rums, it's made from sugarcane juice and has been made in Brazil. Cachaca will have earthy and vegetable notes, similar to rum agricole. Let's make the drink. Alright, first we're going to grab a lime and a sharp knife. And then we're going to cut the butts off the lime. After that, you want to cut them into quarter size or even 6 pieces. Then you want to cut the white veiny stuff that's in the middle of the lime off. That's the pith. That's going to be the bitter end, and we don't want that at all. Every once in a blue moon, you'll come across a lime that doesn't really have that pith. So, half the job's done. Alright, let's grab a rocks glass and we're going to throw those lime wedges into the glass. Grab your sugar and add either a tablespoon or 2 big heaping bar spoons of sugar. Small refined sugar works best. Grab your muddler and press down on those lime wedges. We want to get the lime juice and the lime oil out of those little wedges. Now that it's nice and juicy, add 2 ounces of your cachaca. And now we're going to add some crushed ice that we beat the crap out of earlier in order to make the crushed ice. And of course, take your bar spoon, mix it all together, that way it's well blended. And then top off with a little bit more crushed ice if need to. And there you have it, the Caipirinha. So enjoy the rest of your hot girl summer, try something new, and just have a drink.